Let me just tell you a little bit about Huawei's reliance on US firms. While it doesn't really have significant revenue streams in the US, it does rely on over 30 core suppliers that are American, many of them listed in the US as well. I said yesterday to watch out for the reaction on Wall Street, and boy, did we get a reaction. Qualcomm down 4% at the end of trade. Qorvo down 7%. Skyworks down 6%. These are all Huawei suppliers which got hit because of this order by President Donald Trump. I got some reaction from some of those companies this morning. Corning, which is a key maker of glass for several components and screens, said that they have a large customer base. They should be able to mitigate any impact here. Another company called Flex, which is involved in design and manufacturing of electronics, said that they are monitoring the situation. So it's very much a wait-and-see approach right now from these companies. But Huawei seems to have been expecting this for a long time. A source I spoke to at the company yesterday said that this has been expected by management, and we've seen that kind of corroborated by a report today in the Nikkei Asian Review, which was suggested that Huawei was stockpiling components for about a 12-month period to help it mitigate any impact from the trade war. I spoke to an analyst this morning who said that should help Huawei offset some of this pain in the short term, but if it goes on for a long time, that's where it could get very difficult for the company, just given how reliant it is on US firms. But for a longer-term view, Huawei over the past couple of years has been investing in its own chip technology and components around 5G and semiconductors, which are very key to some of its consumer electronics. But there's a whole host of parts and components that go into not just its smartphones and laptops, but all the way through to its networking equipment. And that's where the real concern is right now. And the other big issue is that there's no real clarity, actually, over what exactly Huawei being on this so-called entity list means and how it will proceed going forward. So that's another black cloud hanging over the company. Well, what's Huawei's response been? Well, it came out this morning and it said that this kind of move will cause significant harm to American companies and consumers. But it's very clear what the US tactic is here, to attack one of China's largest tech firms, also the key to its 5G ambitions, and try to move it into submission, even if it comes at the harm of some US companies in the short term.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.